This video shows how to install the Wi-Fi adapter for the Xerox VersaLink C625 color multifunction printer. Press the power button, then touch Power Off. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. At the back door of the printer, unplug the LAN cable. Using the handle, open, then pull up door B. Remove the small cover. Insert the adapter's connector into the printer. Replace the small cover. Close door B. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer. On the home screen, touch Login. Login required pop-up. Enter the username and click Next. Then enter the password and click Done. On the home screen, touch Device, then select Tools. On the Tools pop-up, touch Network Settings, then select Network Connectivity. Choose Wireless Connection on the Network Connectivity window. The Wi-Fi Adapter wizard appears. At the prompt, touch Continue to Wireless Install. If your wireless network appears in the list, select it. Enter the password if needed. Follow the prompts to connect to the network. For more information, read the System Administrator Guide.